Hey guys, I want to put a real quick video together of some aftermarket DeWalt tools. Pretty much the only way I can describe it. You've seen this leaf blower. I made a separate video a while back on it. And these are a couple of new things I picked up. This is a plastic welder. That's the brand of it. These are found on Amazon. It comes with a whole assortment of these. I call them staples. They call them like repair nails. But it melts it into plastic, like on like a bumper guard, or plastic on four-wheelers and motorcycles and stuff. So very handy. And a cordless glue gun. And these all run off of the standard 20-volt max batteries. And you see me using DeWalt tools in all my videos. Just a brand I always like for some reason. Here's a couple other things that are available. There's a number of lights available, work lights that run off these batteries as well. And this is like you can charge your phone off of it. It's a slow charge, but you know it's better than nothing. But mainly wanted to show you these two new things I picked up. Got them super cheap, matter of fact. This was got on the Prime deal or Prime Day, whatever, on Amazon. This was only $9. Free shipping. It comes with the staples and the book, of course. This was right at $20, I believe. And it comes with a bundle of the larger glue sticks, like 1/2 inch or whatever these are. So it's a nice little set for the price. You definitely cannot beat it at all. So I was going to hook them up just to show you that they do work. Probably should already had this heating up. But it just goes on there like this. You hit that button and it starts warming up. This will start heating as soon as you pull the trigger. So let me get the camera on the tripod and we'll look at this first. And no, I do not have an example of an actual repair using this. I'm sure there's other videos available for that. This is just demonstrating the tools pretty much. And trying to help you save a few dollars. You turn it on, it's got a little light that shines up from the bottom. It takes a few seconds to start glowing. There it goes. And you just burn it into the plastic, and I guess you'd have to let it cool down. You might be able to pull it back out because it just fits in these tubes, kind of like how a soldering gun tip goes in, but without the set screw. And you just have to cut off any excess that's sticking up. Then you can take like a soldering gun or an actual plastic welder, get the plastic rods, and just melt it in and grind it and make it look like it never even was broke in the first place. Very handy tool. How often am I going to use it? Not very often, so I can't talk about longevity or how well it actually works. I'm sure there'll be a day I'll get to use that. While we're waiting on the glue gun to heat up, these lights you find like this are super bright. Now, you can't tell in the video, but it's crazy bright. It's got 2 settings on it. And let's check the glue gun. Yeah, it's starting to come out already. I don't know why we're doing this, but it actually works pretty good. I like the feel of the trigger. Glue that washer down, just demonstrate that it works, I guess. I'll go ahead and turn this back off. And after heating it up, it's still not putting that much load on the battery. Again, this is going to stay hot for a while. And on this one, it's really going to heat up where it's glowing, so you got to be extremely careful not to get burned on those. I like hot glue for certain things. They're mainly designed for like craft use and stuff, but I found all kinds of uses for it. For like, well, one thing I can think of, you remember the 8-bulb light I built about a year or two ago? I used a glue gun to glue the wiring in place just to keep it in place, and it works good for that. Hot glue ain't super strong, but it's pretty strong. It's not for everything, but it's definitely nice to have on hand. So, alright guys, so I just wanted to make a quick little video on that, and hopefully maybe you can get you a good deal on some tools. And there's all kinds of other tools that uses the DeWalt battery, and other brand tools as well. If you got Milwaukee or Wild Irby, whatever brand of tool set you have, And the whole point of this, would I rather have something made by DeWalt? Yeah, 100% sure, but this was 20 bucks versus probably at least $100 for an actual DeWalt one, if they even make one. Don't know. And it's just you could buy like individual, probably even cheaper than this. It comes with a battery and charger, but then you're going to have another battery, another charger, whereas this, it just keeps everything universal, using the same batteries for everything. So that's the advantage of doing that. Can't really talk about the durability or longevity, but they do appear to be made really well. So hopefully they hold up good. Alright guys, that's a quick little video I wanted to put together just to kind of make you aware of the aftermarket tools that are available. It works with the name brand batteries. And also vice versa, there's aftermarket batteries that work with the aftermarket tools and the actual DeWalt tools as well. So that's a cheaper alternative to buying these expensive batteries. So I will say this, a lot of times when you go to a place that sells like the name brand tools, a lot of times they'll have a deal where you get a battery and a charger for free with the purchase, but you may have to have like a coupon code or something like that to get it. But it is something to always check into if you're buying any type of tool like this. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Thought this might make a nice little video, might help you out. So we'll catch you on the next video. Again, thanks for watching.